All right, so the next thing I noticed is that we're getting a lot of self-intersections. So just from the crouching itself, like he's already intersecting his legs and things, and that is because our self-collide is off. So we could say, on the group, we could say self-collide on, but the problem now is that our clavicles are very much self-colliding, and we don't want things self-colliding that is also connected because, well, I'll just show you. Yeah, so this is what you can expect when things are forced to intersect and collide, and that is one of the reasons why this self-collide button was added. So we don't want that. We only want collisions between the hands and maybe no, I think only the arms and hands are the only thing that really seems to matter here. So I'll select let's do one at a time. So I'll select the elbow, and then I'll go to the marker in the attribute editor. And from here, I'll just collapse some of these and go to the advanced tab. And here you have the overlap group. So by default, it's 0, which means that it will either collide with everything, or in this case, it will respect the self-collide flag, which is set to off. So it will not collide with anything in its own hierarchy. You can either give the marker a unique group, so like 1 or 2, and anything with the same number will overlap. So they are free to overlap. So anything with group 5 can overlap with anything else in group 5. But in this case, we want the hands and the arms to collide with everything. So I'm going to set it to a special value, -1. And that just means that you are not in a group, and you're also not going to respect the self-collide flag. So -1 means collide with everything everywhere, which is fine for our purposes. So I'm going to give that a -1, -1, and the hand a -1. So at this point, we expect the hands to collide with each other and also the character. And it looks like it does just that. Maybe I'll shrink the hands because the hands are so close to the body. Let's make those a little shorter and maybe a little closer to the hand, closer to the arm like that. There we go. So now we have a ragdoll rolling down some stairs and attempting to stand up. So like before, let's see if we can record this. So I'll just grab the markers panel again. I'm going to put this on another layer. I'll select all of my rig controls. I'll put those on a layer. This is going to be the roll physics layer. And I'll just record that. And there we go. All right. And then I'm just going to hide my solver because we're done with that. And there we go. We have a rolling mannequin character coming to a near stand at the very end.